Alright guys, so I actually filmed this video at like 3 in the morning, so the entire video is going to be a voiceover, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I am doing a first impressions of the Aussie instant freeze gel. I believe that's what it's called. I'll leave all the correct info in the description box. I just ran across it in, I believe, Target, and I was curious. I do already have a leave-in applied to my hair in the shower because if you don't know about my hair type, I am low porosity. So I like to apply as many products as I can in the shower while my hair is still warm. So I apply my leave-in and I use the Shea Moisture Low Porosity Leave-In Detangler. I really love that leave-in and it pairs well with a lot of my other products. I'm working in super small sections and here I'm clearly impressed because I wasn't expecting this gel to have any hole whatsoever. And I am going to go ahead and shingle my hair because it is a new product, so I want to get, maximum benefits from it, and because, shingling just always looks better if you have the time to do it. So like I said, with this product, in my opinion, now that I've used it, it is super important that you work through it in smaller sections if you are going for extreme definition. The smaller the section, when it's like lightweight gels like that, in my opinion, is going to give you better hold because it's more of a likelihood that it will coat every strand. This gel does have a ton of slip, especially combined with the Shea Moisture Leave-In Detangler, and it is foaming up white, and you guys will see at the end of the video there is a little white residue left over, but I'll explain that later on in the video. I didn't add any additional water to my hair at all for the entire process, just because also because it's a lightweight gel, I just wanted it to grip my hair a little bit better, and because I'm low porosity, sometimes if I feel like my hair with too much water, then the products will just kind of slide off my hair. So this was already what I was considering a lightweight gel because it was like a 4 out of 5 for like the hold level. So I was like, I need to give it as much help as possible, use lightweight products underneath it, and don't have my hair super saturated with water. So I did let my hair sit in a microfiber towel for about 10 minutes before I started styling. Here I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the style side and the unstyled side. Obviously my unstyled side just has no curl definition whatsoever until I start working product through it. And shrinkage is of course starting to set in. So for the rest of this video, I am just going to let you guys stop listening to me talk and you can just watch me finish styling my hair. And then of course I'm going to blow it dry because it is super late at night. I'm going to blow it about 80% dry and come and show you guys the final results. So this is what my hair looks like when it was about 80% dry. Like I said, I didn't blow it completely dry because I knew I was just going to bed and I was going to sleep on it anyway. So I just apply a little bit of my hair oil to scrunch out whatever crunch that I thought was going to be. My hair literally did not dry crunchy at all. It's drying super shiny, and y'all, I am like shook. Like, it's so crazy. I am super surprised at the amount of definition that I got from Aussie. Like, I'm like not ashamed to say I wasn't expecting much, okay? The white residue, like I said, that you guys are seeing is more from my hair just not being 100% dry yet. I do believe that it will dry clear, but if you guys want to see for yourselves, just follow me on social media, and of course, you'll see my hair. So, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please, please, please. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next upload.